cool thing about the Inception is it's digital technology, digital sport, and it has several options when it comes to changing the background and the heater options. The great thing about the Allusion Slim is this can actually fit into a 4-inch 2x4 wall. So it's the slimmest electric out on the market in our line.
Hi, today we are at the International Builder Show, learning what's new and exciting in the fireplace industry. We have some really cool new products coming out. We're going to start out at the Simplifire booth. This company makes gas fireplaces like we see right there, as well as electric fireplaces.
Hello Anastasia, thanks for coming by. I did want to show you some of our newest technology with our Simplifire line. This is the Inception. The cool thing about the Inception is it's digital technology, digital sport, and it has several options when it comes to changing the background and the heater options, where we can actually go through several different concepts of like the burn, whether it's lower burn, a little longer, a little different log configurations. Even if you want more of a gasket configuration, we can actually do that as well. So it's a nice option. This can run on 110, or if you wanted to increase the heater output, you can go up to 220. Great sound effects, great making flame. People really like this traditional look.
So the sound effect is, oh yeah, I can hear it
so
now.
So yeah, we got a little crackling going right now, but there's also options like waves crashing, summer nights, things along those lines for kind of a little bit of white noise. It's a nice little feature.
Yeah, beautiful. Can it be freestanding like this?
It is. It can be non-structural. It comes with this kit, the void kit right here, which you see it as it's finished, or it can be recessed into the wall if that was useful. Next, we have our new Allusion Slim, more of a linear style product. The great thing about the Allusion Slim is this can actually fit into a 4-inch 2x4 wall. So it's the slimmest electric out on the market in our line. Very cool log features, nice options, several color options of the flame. Really nice baseline in the product that can be mounted in the wall, in the 2x4 wall, or it can be put in a mount kit like you see here displayed.
Oh, it's wall mounted essentially.
Yes. So it can be non-structural or it can be built in.